Hi everyone, you are welcome to this week of technology. Today we will talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence क्या होता है? दोस्तों मैं there will be a lot of definitions around. मैं आपको एक simple example बताऊंगा जिससे आपको समझ आएगा कि artificial intelligence क्या होता है. Okay? तो एक एक्टिविटी है फोटो उठाना. जब हम अपना फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं और उससे एक पिक ले लेते हैं, that is one activity that our phone does. Okay, तो ये एक ऐसा समझिए कंप्यूटर ने एक्टिविटी किया, right? Now there is another activity that some phones do. उसमें क्या होता है, एक फ़ोन एक इमेज के साथ एक इमोशन एसोसिएट करता है कि इस इमेज में is this person looking happy, is this person looking sad, angry or whatever, right? That activity where a computer, where a phone attaches emotions to your images, that can be called an AI activity, artificial intelligence activity. Difference क्या है? कोई ऐसा काम जिसमें हमें ये लगे कि ये एक इंसान ही कर सकता है, राइट? और वो एक इंसान ने नहीं बल्कि एक मशीन ने किया, तो उसी को हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कहते हैं, राइट? नाउ artificial intelligence is a hot topic in the debate. On the one side of this debate you have premier institutions, बहुत बड़ी universities, उनके researchers like Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, और बाकी ऐसी universities हैं जो pioneering research कर रहे हैं AI में. And there are governments supporting these research too. China is supporting this research, US government is supporting this research. And on the other side of the debate you have big names like Elon Musk, who are saying that we should kind of regulate, we should stop moving so fast in AI. Okay, now let's discuss this a bit more in detail. What are the two sides of the debate? If we look at the positive side, like one side where MIT and other universities are saying that it's a very promising area, वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि AI की जो है इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो होगी, it will be very fruitful to general public. So they are saying we support democratic and regulated research in AI and the regulated use in day-to-day activities. One of the examples that this side of debate is throwing is AI programs can be used for accurate weather predictions, okay, or this kind of AI can be used for treatment of deadly diseases like cancer. Okay, this is one side of the debate. Now what is the other side of the debate? People like Elon Musk, what they are saying is AI जो है ये बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ है. अगर इसमें रेगुलेशन नहीं हो रहा, if this is being developed at the pace that it is being developed right now, तो क्या हो सकता है? खतरा हो सकता है जिसमें जो AI programs हैं they will take over the world. Okay, Elon Musk is saying at the moment what is happening is जो AI programs है they have access to Google for example, जहाँ पे वो क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी डेटा सेंटर्स में उनका हीटिंग वीटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है या जो भी है, AI programs kind of optimize the temperatures or do the cooling in data centers and so on. What Elon Musk is saying is there can be a danger in the future where AI can take over Google as a whole, and it can do whatever it wants. Okay, or for example another thing that can happen according to Elon Musk is the robots which we develop, they can become way more powerful than we think. वो बहुत powerful बन सकते हैं, उनके पास बहुत इंटेलिजेंस आ सकता है और वो इतना सारा काम कर सकते हैं कि हम जॉबलेस, ह्यूमंस सारे जॉबलेस हो जाएंगे. So that's where Elon Musk says it will be a social catastrophe. Okay, now these are the two sides of debate about AI. One is on the side that AI research should continue, and the other side is that AI research should not continue at this pace. Okay, now whatever side of the debate you are on, I would advise that you still take some understanding of AI, right? So there will be a lot of blogs, lot of content online available where you should read about AI. Okay, इसके impacts क्या हो सकते हैं आपके डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़ में AI कैसे काम कर रहा है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनके बारे में आपको जानना चाहिए, राइट। Pertinent to this, what MIT did is, I think last week there was an event जिसमें MIT ने एक initiative start किया which they are calling as Day of AI. So this day they'll celebrate on May 21, I believe, in 2022. जिसमें क्या होगा, throughout the US a lot of educators will sponsor and teach the kids of US the basics of AI and how is it impacting the day-to-day activities, how is it impacting the lives. So that's what this Day of AI will do. I would advise you as well to also do some research, to also read about AI and what are its pros, what are its cons, is it good, is it not good, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Please watch our videos till the end and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you so much.